What up? What up? What up? What up? He figures as soon as I go live here. What's up, guys? We are at the shop doing some wrenching. Got a nice little YJ project here we're taking care of. But just wanted to let you guys in on some super cool new product. Something that I think all of us can use at least a couple parts of this thing, because man, it's got almost everything on it. But Wagan sent us a, well, I can show it to you guys. But basically, Wagan has partnered up with Michelin tires. So obviously, Michelin's been around a long time. Great product, known for good tires. But they partnered up for some safety gear, some off-road safety gear, on-road safety gear, side-of-the-road safety gear. But pretty cool product. So lo and behold, I know I've been giving you guys some teasers with the koozies, with the pins, with the box. And really, it's all because this didn't get released until SEMA 2018, which has been ends today. So just came out, but lo and behold, guys, here it is. Let's see if I can flip this camera around. Boom. So this is the XR1, and it's in here, multi-function portable power source XR1. But really, this is way more than a power source. So I actually went ahead and already opened it up, took a look at it. But thank you for the nice little stickers. Put those on the vehicle. Comes with your user manual here. First impression, check out this beefy handle here. Almost looks like a Michelin tire. I think that's kind of what they were going for. Nice little rubber tread, but pull that out. And here we go. Wow. Overall, I mean, the weight to it, there is a little bit of weight, but again, you know, it's got multi-function here. It's got a nice little battery setup inside of it. Doesn't feel chintzy at all. So, man, just listing off some of the stuff. First off, we got our tire inflator. Open that up. Boom. Tire inflator to it. Obviously, you've got your gauge here to read your PSI. Looks like, you know, obviously it adapts right to the vehicle. You've got, you know, your beach volleyball, whatever you've got going on. Just kick that thing right on. There you go. Your pressure gauge will start reading. Obviously, we got the DC volts. Push your little battery here. Hold it down. We're good. That way, before you take it on a trip, you can make sure it's fully charged up. We've got another button here. Light. So you're on the side of the road, you need a little warning light. You've got a white, or you've got the cover that's red. Switch this button over here, and you got a little emergency light setup. So pretty neat. Move on to here. We have 200 watt AC power. So boom, two different outlets. It's got a little inverter here on it. You got your own little fuse, 25 amp. It's labeled right there, so you can carry a spare with you. Turn the power on. You've got the light. Let you know you're good to go. 110. Turn it off. No more power going to it. Down here, USB. Boom. Turn it on. Light showing you it's on. Cigarette lighter on. Charge all your accessories. So everything is kind of in its individual little area. It's got lights, verify, tell you everything's working. So that's just one side. Other side, boom, radio, 2 speakers on here. Here's all your cables, so you can charge it at your house or charge it on your vehicle while you're on the road. So take it out camping as well. Keep it in the back of your vehicle, your off-road vehicle. It's got the antenna here, digital. It's got also an aux port on it, and then also Bluetooth. So we've got, last but not least, jumper cables. Nice and neat, tucked away here. Here's your on-off for when you want to use them. We've got the other side, your positive and your negative. So we've got 1,000 peak amps on your jumper cables. We've got our tire inflator, right? We've got our 200 watt AC power, Bluetooth radio on the other side, and our work light. So I don't know, man. It's kind of all in one. Like I said, it's super heavy duty, almost like a Michelin tire tread here going on in the corners for protection. The corners are pretty beefy. That way it gets banged up along things. It'll protect it. But man, I am first impressions here. I'm super impressed. So thank you to our friends at Wagan Tech and also our good old Michelin man. So I saw he was out at SEMA hanging out at the booth. So if you guys got any questions, check it out. It's the XR1, brand new multifunction portable power source. So hope you guys are checking this out. Give us some feedback, and we're going to take it out on the trails here soon and let you know what we think.